Welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some delicious Jamaican style cream of pumpkin soup. Alright, so for the ingredients we have 1 pound of pumpkin here, and this is 2 cups chopped, and this pumpkin is nice and fresh from my garden. 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a half a pack of pumpkin flavored soup mix, which I've already sifted the noodles from, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of coconut milk, and some salt to taste. Very simple, basic ingredients, right? To my pot here on medium-low heat, I'm going to heat up about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can always substitute for a neutral oil such as vegetable oil or canola oil, for example. I'm going to add in my onion and garlic, which I diced, and I'm going to saute for about a minute or until nice and translucent. And you want to keep stirring so that you don't burn the garlic. Next, I'm going to add in my pumpkin, which I've peeled and chopped. And I'm also going to saute this for about 2-3 minutes. And what this does, it brings out the natural sweetness of the pumpkin and that nice nutty flavor that the pumpkin has. I'm just going to turn up my flame a little bit more. Next, I'm going to add my water, which I went ahead and heated. Never add cold water to a hot pot. Now I'm going to cover and let my pumpkin cook about 3 to 5 minutes or until they are nice and soft. Of course, the smaller you dice your pumpkin, the less time it will take to cook. Alright, so my pumpkin is done cooking. I boiled it for 8 minutes to be exact. So what I'm going to do now is to leave it to cool before I blend it. If you have one of those immersion blenders, you can always blend it straight away. After pureeing, I'm going to add this to my pot. And my coconut milk. I'm going to reserve a couple tablespoons for garnish. And if you're able to use fresh coconut milk, it's so much better. I ran out, so I'm substituting for store-bought today. Next, my soup mix. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and allow it to simmer on medium for about 5 minutes. The last thing I'm going to add is my salt. And you want to be careful with this soup, guys, because it does splatter a lot. If you prefer yours a little bit thinner, you can always add some more milk or water, whichever you prefer. Also, you can easily switch the coconut milk for heavy cream. I decided to make this soup vegan because all my other soup recipes has meat in it, and I don't have any vegan soups on my channel. This is easily one of the most underrated soups there is. It checks all the boxes. It's delicious, healthy, nutritious. It's versatile. You can have it with bread, meat. I served mine with some toast and it was so good. You can check out these other soup recipes here. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.